Hello students, how are you? I think you will be fine. Today I am going to start your next exercise 2.3 from the chapter 2 polygon. So here in this exercise there is a name of that theorem is remainder theorem. So that is remainder theorem is quotients is equal to means dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder, that is आपका remainder theorem. So before explaining that thing, because I have explained only formula, and directly I am going to explain exercise 2.3, and question number first is find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x and plus 1 is divided by x plus 5. It is the part of the first question, part number 4. So how will you divide? And x plus 5 is a divisor, and where dividend is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. So now divide it carefully. So first here sign is plus. First your these questions will come with sign first. And here how many x here is x cube and you have only x, so how many x are required? X square are required. Now multiply these x square in divisor, then you will get x square into x means x cube plus 5x square. Okay, now subtract them, then you will get x cube minus x cube cancel, then you will get 3. You will get here 3x square minus 5x square. Here you can take x square as a common, then you get 3 minus 5. Okay, so here you can write x square in bracket. Here you can write 3 minus 5 in bracket and x square. You can write like this. Okay, after taking means common. Okay, now take down 3 plus 3x, and now here the sign is positive, so your quotients will come is positive. Okay, positive sign. And here is x square and you have only x, so here is required x square, and here you have coefficient of x in divisor, that is 1, and here is x 3 minus 5, so you have required 3 minus 5 also. Okay, so you multiply by 3 minus 5 into x and multiplied by in x, then you get 3 minus 5 x square, and plus when multiplied by in pi, then you will get 3 minus 5 x. Okay, now subtract it, then you will get this term will cancel. You get here 3x minus 5 in bracket 3 minus 5 into x. So here you can take x as a common, then you will get 3 minus 5. You can write in a bracket 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5. Okay, you will get this one. So you can write here 3 minus 5 bracket 3 minus 5 bracket close. Okay, into x, and note down plus 1. Now here is required only x, you have also x, and here coefficient is 1, here coefficient is 3 minus 1 bracket 3 minus 5, so you have required this. So right here plus 3 minus 5 bracket 3 minus 5 bracket close. Okay, and now multiplied by divisor, then you will get 3 minus 5 close the bracket into x, and you will multiply by here with pi, then you will get plus 3 pi into 3 minus 5 bracket 3 minus 5 close the bracket, and this. Now subtract it, then you will get this term will be cancelled. Here you will get 1 minus pi, 3 minus pi in bracket, 3 minus pi, close the bracket. Okay. Now open the brackets of your remainder, because this is a remainder. Okay. Here remainder is 1 minus pi in bracket, pi minus 3 minus pi in bracket, 3 minus pi. Okay. Then open all the brackets, you will get your remainder 1 minus pi, 3 minus pi into 3 means 3 pi, minus minus plus pi square. Okay. Now 1 minus, now open this bracket with minus pi, minus plus minus 3 pi, minus minus plus 3 pi square, and minus plus minus pi cube. You can write in means equal to the degree, then minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. That is your answer. So remainder is equal to minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. That is your answer. Okay. Let us solve the next question. With next question number 2, find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus x is divided by x minus a. Okay, so first as solution. Now, your division is x minus a and dividend is x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Okay, start dividing. Start. Here the sign is plus, and you have your next questions will be sign is positive. Here is in dividend there is x cube, and your division you have only x. So how many x are there? X square. Now multiply your division by this x square, then you will get x cube plus minus minus ax square. Okay. Now consider. And this is also cancelled. And now 6x minus 8. Okay, note down. And now in dividend there is x and you have also x, means there is a equality. Okay, you cannot dominate to others. There is equality. There is x and then you also have x, and there is 6 and there is only. Means you have only there is requirement only 6. So how many plus you multiply by 6. Then plus 6x minus 6a. Subtract it. Then this term is cancelled. You have a minus a plus 6a means only plus 5. That is the remainder. Nothing is remaining for your dividend. So remainder is equal to 5a. That is your answer. Let us solve next question. Next question number 3 is check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7. If 7 plus 3x is a factor of this one, it means it can be divided by 7 plus 3x. If it cannot be divided by 7 minus 7 plus 3x, it means this is not a factor of this one. So here, first write solution. So here 7 plus 3x, otherwise you can write 3x plus 7, that is a divisor, and here dividend is equal to 3x cube plus 7x. Okay, start dividing. In dividend there is a sign plus, so your questions will start from first sign. And in dividend there is a x cube, and you have only x, so how many x square x are required? X square. And you have 3, and in dividend also 3 means means both are equal. Okay, so now multiply by x square, multiply division by x square, then you will get 3x cube plus 7x square. Subtract it. This term will be cancelled. Here we can write minus 7x square plus 7x. In dividend there is a sign minus, put here sign negative, this minus. And now in dividend there is a 7, you have 3. So what will you do to make it equal? So you can write here, to make 7, what will you do here? In 3 you can multiply 7 by 7. Okay, it will be 21 upon 7. Okay. And here is x, and x means you have required only x square. So you require only x. So here x square you have only x, so only x is required. And here is 7 you have 3. So what is required? When you multiply this 3, 7 by 3, then you will get only 7. To get 7, what will you do? You will multiply by 7.3. So you will take here 7 by 3. Okay. Now multiply it, then you will get minus 7x square and minus plus minus 7 7s are 49 upon 3x. Now subtract it. This term will be cancelled. Now you have 7x plus 49 by 3x. Solve it. 7 is 21x plus 49x upon 3. You have 9 1 10 4 3 7 x upon 3. So you can write here 70x upon 3. And I think after that you cannot divide it. Can you divide it? Start dividing. We continue with it. Now there is x, you have also x, no? Both are equal. Now here is a sign plus, put sign here. And to get 70 by 3, what will you do with 3? In 3, what will you do to get 70 by 3? You can do here 3 by 70. No, 70 by 3. You not do 3, you do 9. Then you will get 3 is 70 by 3. Okay. So you will here multiply by 70 upon 9. Okay. So multiply here. $70 by 3x plus 7 7 are 49. Subtract it. This term will be cancelled. Then you have remainder, that is minus 490 upon 9. Okay. So after that you cannot divide it. Okay. It means here is the remainder. Here remainder is equal to minus 490 upon 9. Okay. And if 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x, then remainder should be 0. And here remainder is not 0. Okay. So 7 plus 3x is not factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Okay. Henceforth. Okay. So with this question, I am going to wind up your exercise. Our next video, I will come back with you next exercise. Okay, so have a nice day. Thank you, class.